Hello, good morning, students. Today we discuss the last part of the Protista. Protista is the kingdom, or this kingdom divide to 5 classes. Okay, yesterday I already explained to you. Protista kingdom is divided to 5 classes. First is the Chrysophyte, second is the Dinoflagellate, and third is the Euglenoid, and fourth is the Slamnode, and last is the Protozoans. Okay. So today we discuss about the protozoans. Okay. So this protozoans or protozoa term given by the Goldfish in 1877. Okay. So protozoa is a Greek word which is made of the proto or June means first, June means animal. Proto means first or June means animals. So this is the protozoans are the first animals which is present on the earth. Okay, and it is very important here. It is the protozoa are the third largest phylum. Protozoa are the third largest phylum, and first phylum is here the Arthropoda, and second is here Mollusca. Okay. Now we discuss their characters here. So they are microscopic, means these organisms cannot see without microscope. Eukaryotic means they have a well developed nucleus, okay, but they are the unicellular organism. Okay, so they are aquatic, they may be aquatic, terrestrial or parasite. Okay, they may be aquatic, terrestrial or parasite. Okay. The body level organization is a protoplasmic level. Okay, body level of organization is your protoplasmic level organization. The wall is covered by a proteinous substance which is pellicle. It makes its body flexible. Okay, pellicle contain a chemical substance very important, N-acetyl glucosamine. Okay, this pellicle membrane contain N-acetyl glucosamine. Okay, now we discuss the reproduction. This type of reproduction occur in a protozoa organism. Okay, so protozoa organisms occur two types of reproduction: asexual reproduction or sexual reproduction. Both type of reproduction we observe in the protozoans. Here, asexual reproduction, binary fission. This binary fission occur in amoeba. Transfer fission occur in a paramecium. Okay, and longitudinal fission occur in a trypanosoma, or multiple fission occur in a plasmodium. In multiple fission occur in a plasmodium, and plasmodium also occurs sexual reproduction. Okay, budding occur in a ephyllota. Okay, so plasmodium is the organism. In this organism, sexual reproduction is also occur. Or plasmodium causes malaria disease. Plasmodium causes malaria disease in a human beings. Okay, when mosquito bite to our body, then plasmodium enter in our body. Okay, with the help of the blood, it go into the liver, where polyplication is occur. Polyplication, or we can say multiplication is occur, where they again come into the blood vessels, where it destroy the RBC of the body. Okay, that time RBC produce a chemical substance that is called the hemozoin. Okay, this hemozoin produce shivering and rising the temperature of the body, and comes fever. Okay, so plasmodium causes malaria disease. Okay, but this plasmodium carries by the female Anopheles mosquito. Okay, so sexual reproduction is occur in a plasmodium, or plasmodium syngamy means fusion of the male and female gamete. So syngamy type of reproduction occur in a plasmodium. Okay, there are four major groups of protozoans are. Okay, here also protozoans are classified to four major groups. First is your amoeboid protozoans. Second is your flagellated protozoans, and third is your ciliated protozoans, and fourth is here sporozoans. So protozoans are classified into four groups. First is here amoeboid protozoans. Second is flagellated protozoans, means amoeboid means circular shape that have no any flagella here. Flagellated means flagella is contained here. That type of protozoans is called the flagellated. And those protozoans which contains thread-like structure, many thread-like, that organs called the ciliated protozoans. Or sporozoans means those organs reproduce through the spores. That organ is called the sporozoans. Okay. Now we discuss the first protozoan, which is here amoeboid protozoans. So they lives in a freshwater, seawater, and moist places, moist soil. Okay. They moves and capture the prey with the help of the pseudopodia. They have a pseudopodia, so with the help of the pseudopodia they capture the prey. Marine forms have silica cell, means marine of this organism have a silica on the surface. Some of them, such as the entamoeba, are parasite. Some organisms of amoeboid are the parasite. These parasites are the two important parasites is here, Entamoeba histolytica and Entamoeba gingivalis. So Entamoeba histolytica causes the dysentery disease, means loose motion. Okay, Entamoeba histolytica causes the dysentery disease, or Entamoeba gingivalis causes the pyorrhea disease in the mouth, in the teeth. Okay, mouth, when teeth become yellow in color. Okay, so or smell is comes from the mouth, so that this is called the pyorrhea disease, or this disease caused by the Entamoeba gingivalis. Now we discuss the next protozoan, which is here flagellated protozoans. Flagellated protozoans means they are the free living parasite. They are the free living parasite and they have a flagella for the locomotion. Okay, they have flagella for the locomotion. They are the parasite form. The parasite form of the protozoans causes diseases like the sleeping sickness. This is very important. Sleeping sickness disease is caused by the trypanosoma. And next is here ciliated protozoans. Okay, ciliated protozoans is the third protozoan. These are the aquatic animals. These are the aquatic animals and body is covered by the small thread-like structure. These thread-like structure is called the cilia. Cilia help in the locomotion. Or example, its example is here paramecium. Okay, its example is here paramecium. Now we discuss the next protozoans group, which is here sporozoans. Okay, so this include diverse organisms. That have a infection spore. Okay, means this group include organisms that produce spores, or these spores are the infected spores, causes the diseases. So for example here Plasmodium. Plasmodium is a malarial parasite. It complete their life cycle in two hosts. Plasmodium complete their life cycle in two hosts. First life cycle complete in the human beings, or second life cycle complete in the mosquito. Okay, so Plasmodium is a malarial parasite which causes the malaria disease in the human beings. Okay, thank you.